Good day, welcome back. This is my Korean travel tips. My name is Lawrence.
And Michelle.
And today we're taking you on the subway. Now,
Yes.
Korea is full of subways. And this is the best way to travel in Seoul. Listen, if you take a car, we know you get stuck in traffic for hours.
Yes.
Traffic is 12 million people in a city. Imagine all the cars. But the subways are amazing. And if you don't know where the nearest subway station is, like in this video,
We didn't know.
we didn't know. We got lost.
We just wanted to take a subway.
So I just asked
Subway
them where
order
is the
you?
nearest
Subway?
subway station,
Gicha.
and they directed me, although they couldn't speak
just go
English.
straight.
As you see, you don't need
감사합니다.
English. Just use something we call Konglish, and body language, and that's
Yeah,
really
Konglish
easy.
is a mix between English and Korean. So you can just say subway, the train, you can poop, you can use anything. They will understand what you're trying to say.
So here we got into the subway station. So this is how the subway stations look. Now this
I
one,
was amazed.
this one was
by
awesome,
how
eh?
beautiful it was. Look at that. It's
it's
have to
gold
experience that.
everywhere. Yeah, this is this is just one subway, but there are so many different themes that these subways have. And the good thing about the subways, everywhere are toilets. In this video, we needed a toilet, and we were just looking for the sign. And there you can see the toilet sign.
Yes, we had to go to the bathroom because, as you can see in the video, my back was dripping sweat. It was becoming really warm. And so I just had to go to the bathroom to take my vest off because I was wearing double layer clothes. So
you
I
were
just
dressed
took
up.
I just took my vest off because it was so hot.
It
But
was a hot day.
everything was convenient.
It was.
This was also beginning summer, and even though it was summer, it was fun. There was lots of shade, lots of everything. So it was fun. We didn't have any trouble traveling in the summer.
Not at all. Now, if you take the subway, you will see this is how the gate look. And if you don't swipe your ticket, this is what happened.
The
Look at your
alarm
phone.
goes off.
Yeah, those little doors just close. So you see, so this is what happened. Make sure you swipe your card.
Yes, yes.
And this is how you do it. You will see that gray thing on the gate. Just tap your
It scans
card.
your card.
And
It
now,
reads it. And there
make sure it's a green light and you can walk just through. Now these cards you can buy at any convenience store.
Yes, and they're so cheap.
Yeah, they are really cheap. And you can also reload them at any convenience store. So if you're out of money, just go to the nearest, they're called CU11, that's 7-Eleven,
7-Eleven.
and just show them the card.
GS25.
Yes, and then give them the money, how much you want to put on, and they will do it for you. But the other way,
And also at the subway stations,
Yes.
they do have their reloaded booths, which you can choose a different language, foreign language, and English is available. So
Yeah.
there's no reason for you not to understand.
So as you see here, the escalators, it is very important to stand on the right side,
Yes.
because the left lane we keep open for people that are in a hurry.
Yeah.
So this is how the subway station look, and they have announcements telling you the train will arrive
Yes.
soon. And be ready, because when the train
Oh
arrives,
boy, the doors open up so quickly and people just jump in because everything is in a hurry because everyone is on time. There you can see the train stop. We got onto the train. Now, I just need to add this. Lawrence has a subway app map.
yes,
Don't use that
disaster.
because it's a big map. Your screen is only this big. So if you are not clued up with the map on your phone, you're gonna have trouble because you need to jump through the screens and then you're going in the wrong direction and you don't know where you are and you're feeling frustrated. And so the best way I have found is when you're on the train look at the digital map they give you.
Yes, they've got these maps inside.
Excellent. No problem.
And make sure you look at the maps. And here you can see these little maps. They also, it's like stickers they have on the door with a red sign that says, you are here. Man, I've been here 9 years, and this particular day we got so lost because I took the right subway in the wrong direction, and then we got off at the wrong station.
At the right direction, and yes.
It was just crazy. Now, the other day, I had this experience. I got onto a subway, and every time it passed my stop, I had to get off at this place, but it just wouldn't stop at the place I wanted to stop. So I took it back, and I took it back, and then I saw they've got something called Express Subway. So you must check, it has a red sign. So that train doesn't stop at every station. It just stops at the main station. So it is the same line, but you will see one says Express and the other one says normal. The normal one stops at every station. Yes. The other one just stops at the main stations. So
small tip.
that's a small tip, but that can make a big difference. Now, we were not lost, but because of the application, I wasn't sure which direction to take. Now, when you get into the subway, if there are seats open, just sit down. But otherwise, just stand and hold on to the rails.
And if you have a backpack on you, they have actual TV screens showing you, please be so kind to put the backpack at the top where there's space, a shelf, or just turn it around and put it to the front of your belly so that you don't forget about the person behind you and knock them over with your bag. So just keep that in mind when you're traveling with a backpack. So as you can see, I sat down on the seat with my backpack against the back of the seat. So there was more than enough space, and I knew there's no one behind me. So I was keeping it safe and out of anyone's way to move quickly.
Now, in this screen behind us, you can see the TV screens they have in the subway, and there you will see the names of the stations. And some maps have numbers on, and every station has a number. For me, that's maybe an easier way to go, because you can just check the number of the subway where you need to get off.
And even the names, they are written in Korean, which looks like the little block writing, but they do spell the name out in English writing, but it's the Korean name. So you can just see, or if you know where you are going, you can just ask someone and show them the name and ask them if this is the right one. They understand, they help you very politely as well.
Now, getting off the subway is another thing. So as you see here, you walk in the middle. So getting off the subway, this is how it happens. The door open, then you start in the middle, and you will see the two lines lining
moving
up.
In.
Yes. So when you're out, they move in. So when you want to get onto the subway, it's the same thing. Line
move
up
in the middle.
Yes. When it stops, the door will open. Then the people get out, and then you go in. That's just a simple thing that you will need to understand taking the subways in Korea. Now, this video, we were lost for 1 hour, and but I have good news. If you get lost in Korea, I call them Korean angels. Man, I've been here many years, and every time I got lost and I just looked like I was lost, somebody will approach me and say, "Sir, can I help you? Are you lost?"
Because some people are fluent in English, so don't think that everybody doesn't speak English. They are all well-educated people in our country, and they speak fluent English. They don't just speak English for the fun of it. So don't be impolite and say rude things, because people understand English. Even though they can't pronounce the English words, they understand English. So don't be rude. Don't be rude. Be nice and polite, and everybody is always willing to help you.
Now, here again, you see me trying to figure out, and here on my phone, I realized
There's the map app.
this is the wrong direction. It's the right subway, but it's the wrong direction. Now, how do you avoid this? Man, get a map. Wherever you go, you will find these maps in Korean and English. Just get yourself an English map. It's for free. Don't use the apps, okay? Or you can if you want.
You know, the funny thing is, we were in the right direction.
Yes. Yes. And what
You misunderstood them.
what you see in this video, we are transferring into the wrong direction. Man, this was crazy, but it was our fault, okay?
And yeah, oh boy, we came back.
And we came back. So we've been on the right train in the right direction. Man, this was crazy, but it is not their fault. To avoid this,
Yeah, I got really
get
tired.
yourself a map. Yeah, you were like exhausted.
This
Now-
was one of the angels that helped us because we had to scan his card and it was out of money, so we had to upload one. And this lady came and she saw we were having a hard time and she was so polite. She just like, come, and she opened up the door. She's like, hey, there, showed us everything. That's why we say Korean angels. Man, they are everywhere.
Yeah, they're awesome. And what you saw in this video, you can also, if you're stuck, just press a button at this big gate and you can talk to somebody and they don't ask questions. You know, they just want traffic to flow.
Yes.
So they will just open the gate
Yes.
for you. Even if, you know, like in this case, we were lost and she just helped us. What you see in this screen, this is the vending machine or the card loading machine.
Yes.
And these you can find at the subway. So you've got a few options there.
And you can see English. Wow.
Down there, you see the button. That means English. So you just press the English button. And then you can choose
It
between...
says single journey ticket, destination selection, minimum fare only. But when you press English, it opens up different sections. So you can just choose your option that you need, the amount of money that you want to put in. So if you don't know the different, you can just click on it. If it doesn't seem like it's something that you want, just go back and click the next one and see if that is, because that's the only way you learn how to use it. So then you will see, once you found the section that you want, you just choose the amount you want to add up, and there you will see the amount. You put your card on top of flat disk, so to speak. It reads your card, and then you will see the sections where you put your money in. So you just put your money in, it uploads your card, you take your card and you go. It's really so amazing.
Now, the important thing is don't take your card before it completed. So it will tell you remove your card. So just wait, because it's, I don't know what it's doing, but it's putting money on the card.
Yes.
Okay. Here in this video, you can see our faces. Oh, up there. That is also another type of electronic screen they have.
enjoy that.
You like those?
I like that, man.
Because that thing shows you the next stop. You can see
Yes,
exactly
you can see
where you're going.
exactly where you're going, where you're at, how far your destination is, so you will know when to get up and get out. I enjoy that map.
And as you see on the screen, we've been on the green line. So
Yes.
every subway line has a different color.
Yes.
And so then you also transfer. You know, we transferred a lot, you know, in
Yes.
this episode where we got so lost. But all you do, you just follow the signs that says transfer.
I have to add that this experience actually made the next one so much easier. So even though you think, oh man, it's difficult, the next time you use the subway, you know exactly what to do. And you will see we got to our destination in Seoul. We got off the train, and to just uplift our spirits a bit, we just went through the different shops and we had fun. We
Yeah.
had so much fun.
Yeah,
And
this shop you see here, that was in the subway.
yes, it's underground, still in the subway, but it's on your way to the upper ground, to the main malls.
Yes.
And so we had loads of fun. We we were really hungry at that stage. So
of
after we
course.
got our spirits up and going again, we just found where we had to be and off we went.
Now these Subway stores are really cheap. I mean, I've seen the best deals you get in the Subway store. So when you use the Korean Subway, make sure that you go shopping.
Absolutely, have some spending money, have some fun. You don't need millions to go on a spending spree. You can have loads of fun and still have pocket money.
Well, that's all for this video. We know you've learned a lot about Subways. We've given you the tips, the tricks,
Yes.
and next time, use a map. That's good
Absolutely,
advice.
absolutely. From me, Michelle, God
From me,
bless you.
Lawrence.
Bye-bye.
Enjoy the Subways. Cheers.